Mabuhay and good day, everyone.
We are the Group 6 and we are here to report on the percentage of CEOs with favorable outlook of the economy. The graph displays the percentage of CEOs across different countries or regions who have the favorable outlook on the economy of 2017 to 2012. The regions include India, South Korea, China, the United States, Japan, and a combined category of UK, France, and Germany.
Indian CEO consistently reported high optimism about the economy, peaking at 83% in 2011, although there was a decline in 2012 to 63%. Optimism remained relatively higher compared to other regions. Second is South Korea. South Korea displayed a modest and consistent optimism trend. The percentage peaked in 2010 at 51%, but dropped slightly to 45% in 2012.
Third is China. China had fluctuating levels of optimism with notable peak in 2011 at 56%. A sharp decline to 28% in 2012 marked one of the steepest downturns among all regions. Fourth is United States. The US saw gradual growth in economic optimism post 2008, reaching 35% in 2011. However, optimism dropped to 27% in 2012.
The fifth is Japan. Japanese CEO exhibited a volatile pattern, peaking dramatically at 68% in 2011. Significant drop to 22% in 2012 occurred, making it one of the most inconsistent trends. And lastly, UK, France, Germany. This region reported the lowest and the most stable optimism level. Despite slight peaks, optimism hovered below 30% for most of the period, ending at 21% in 2012.
In conclusion, the data highlight contrasting trends in COE economic confidence based on regional dynamics, global financial conditions, and domestic economic policies. Emerging economies like India showed resilience and growth potential, while developed countries and China experienced significant challenges by 2012.